Oh, this is strapped to my gun by duct tape, thanks to Michael Fina. Thank you, Michael Fina, if you can hear me. Pagula, you stupid as shit. Pagula, you stupid as shit.
I'm just gonna lie down right there and wait for them.
Probably isn't. How many do we have respawns?
I was just gonna lay right there and wait.
Oh, and thank you for the battery, Michael Fina.
Wait,
And I'd like to thank God for this one. No, I'm joking. What? Yeah. Say hi. Boom!
I was just gonna lay right there and just let them come up and just chuck our fries in there. All my sandwiches.
Oh, then I'm gonna back up. I don't want to get hit by it. You better chuck it.
I would chuck it, but it explodes like 2 seconds after you pull the trigger.
Really?
That's what they said.
Mine has a 1.5 delay on it. How stupid is that? Like, just boom!
Oh, there's this video I saw on YouTube. This kid, he was getting a tornado grenade, and it's like, so I practiced, and he has a soda can, and he's jumping off the walls, kicking and everything.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
He's so awesome.
It's a flash play.
Yeah.
Like he stops and he goes.
He throws it, then he kicks it, it bounces back, and goes.
Oh yeah, it's like stop motion.
Yeah.
Thing, so.
Oh shit, they're right there.
Look at my hiding place. Right in between the tire.